Oop, so I just finished. Let me show you what it looks like. Ooh, delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make pasta with frozen meatballs. So you're going to need a box of pasta, spaghetti sauce, olive oil, bag of meatballs, 2.5 cups to 3 cups of water, and a block of each. So you want to layer it, but first you want to put the olive oil. Spread it around. And you want to layer it so bag of frozen meatballs. Then your water. Pasta, top, then your sauce. Make sure you don't mix it. Made some more. You want to close your lid. Make sure you seal it. So put it on manual for 4 minutes. Don't forget to put your seal on close also. So it just finished. Now you want a quick release. Once it finishes pressure releasing, open the lid. Woo! Nice and steamy. Then add in your cheese. I have a cheddar here. And add in your cheddar and just mix it. Easy pasta and frozen meatballs within 20 minutes.